mission of San Pablo Colleges is to offer relevant, responsive, value-laden, and lifelong learning education to the youth of the nation, especially in this part of the country. We want everyone to catch our vision, which you will all find once you open yourself to our college. We hope that through this open house experience, you, as well as your family, will make San Pablo Colleges your choice of school. Because here in San Pablo Colleges, we want to develop you as a person second to none. We hope you enjoy our presentation and make San Pablo Colleges your choice. Thank you.